my God, to see you again. Okay, so let's continue our 6 rules of pinyin parts, okay? And before that, we'll do a quick review, okay? So what we learned in last class, do you remember? As we learned the 6 rules of pinyin parts, the number 1, number 2, number 3 rules, right? Yeah, so rule 1. Here, with this group, with E together, no E sound. This group is 滋滋滋吱吱是日 with E, right? So no E sound. Right, do you remember? Yeah, so this is rule 1, okay? And rule 2, do you remember? Yeah, with this group, 鸡七西 E with U together, the 2 dots of U disappear, but still U sound, no U sound, right? It's number 2. Number 3, when there are several vowels together, we mark on which one? Yeah, according to the order. What order? R, O, E, E, U, U. Yeah, which one is in the front? We will mark on which one, right? And we have exception when the vowel is only E and U together. We mark on the last one, like this, right? Yeah. So let's continue the 6 rule parts, okay? Okay, so you see this one? How to pronounce this one? I use the number to represent tone, okay? This is flat tone, right? So how read this? This constant is E. This vowel is E. So E. Okay, actually we pronounce it one time. Just E, okay? E, yes, it's number 1. Okay? It's number 1. Okay? This means number 1, okay? Yeah, and the capital is like this. Yeah, it's just one line, okay? So normally when we count a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, this 1 we call E sound, okay? Yeah, it's E sound, okay? Yeah, it's a self sound. This is its self sound. It's self sound, okay? Yeah. So, but sometimes E can be with another word to form a new phrase. Okay? So this E can be with other words to confirm a new phrase. Okay? So when this word, when the tongue of these words after E is first, second, third tone, then this E we change to the fourth tone. See, I say it again. E and other words together form a new phrase. And when the tone of this word after E is first, second, or third tone, this E change to the fourth tone. For example, you see how to read this pinyin? E, yeah. Well. E, qi, yeah, so Yīxià. But you see, the tone of this word after E is the 1, 2, 3, right? This tone. Then we change the E to the fourth tone. So this E, we don't pronounce it E, pronounce it E, right? Yīxià, okay? Yeah. Got it? So, if the words, the tone of these words after E is fourth tone, then this E we change to the second tone. You see? Example. So, E, right? This is how to read this. Ong, gong, gong, right? So, E, gong, yes. You see, the tone of this word after E is fourth tone. Then this E, yeah, change to the second tone. So we don't read it E, gong. We read it Yi, gong, okay? Yeah, which means totally. I say it again. The words after E, if the tone is the first, second, third tone, then this E we change to the fourth tone, okay? See? Yeah. We don't read Yīxià, we read Yīxià, right? Yeah, then the tone of this word after E is fourth tone, like this. 一共 we don't read it 一共 we read it 一共 we change to the second tone, okay? Yeah. When the tone is 1, 2, 3, right? Then this E change to 4, right? I try to remember in this way, okay? Yeah. When this word is 4, then we'll change E to 2, okay? Yeah. Okay. I find the easy way to remember, okay? So this is an E, okay? Yeah. So let's see some phrase. You see? So how read this one? This is E which tone? You see? The word after E is fourth tone, so yeah, we change to the second tone, so it's E change to the E, yes. How to read this one? 咿呀呀，西呀下，go，下下下。So 一下 yes. Good. So what's the meaning of 一下? Means for a short while. Okay? Yes. For example, like I say this word. How to read this one? 等，well, 等。Yes. 等 which means to wait. This is a word. 等 right? Yeah. If I say 等 I don't know how long. Right? If you say 等 I don't know how long you want me to wait. Okay? If you just say 等 I don't know how long you want me to wait. But if you put 一下 after 等 I know it's done. Time of this done. Maybe not long, okay? Yeah. This is 一下, the meaning of 一下, okay? Yeah. So for E, we have two situations, right? Yeah. And remember, when we change the tone, this change is not only for spoken way, but also for the writing way, okay? So when you write, you also need to write the change tone, okay? Yeah, you see? To change, okay? Not only for spoken way, but for the writing way, okay? Yeah. So this E, okay? Yeah. So let's do a quick review. You see? The self sound of E is E, flat tone, right? Mean number 1. Yeah. And if the tone of this word after E is first, second, or second or third tone, then is E change to fourth tone, right? Yeah. And if the tone of this word after E is the fourth tone, then we change this E to the second tone, right? So try to remember this rule, okay?